Simple Cafe E, simple solutions for your electronics. This is a subwoofer. If you're new to them and you're on the fence about whether or not you need one, let me tell you that so was I. I used to see subwoofers as overkill. I'm not trying to impress anyone or bring the house down with all that bass, so I don't need subwoofers. My current speakers are A-OK. Then one day, while I was watching a movie, midway through, my host did nothing more than turn on the subwoofer, and whoa, I felt like I was engulfed by the movie. Then and there, I realized I've been missing out on the full experience of movies, and most certainly music too. Now, I know you've heard this type of hype talk before, with things like surround sound, 3D, Dolby this, that, and the other. But hold on, subwoofers are more than just a new fancy technology. What they provide is access to the entire sound spectrum. See, those waves there on the left are bass, and unfortunately, we've all settled into living without it. Now, why is that? Well, I'll give you a clue. Blue. Oh no, not that. That's right, Bluetooth speakers. Now, how is it their fault? Well, when we bought our shiny new Bluetooth speakers, our priorities were probably price and portability. So this led us away from choosing any speaker with the depth required to generate actual bass. And this has left many of us not knowing what we've been missing out on. Hey, it makes total sense though. We chose a portable speaker because we didn't want to have to haul around anything massive, right? Everything in its right place. But when you are ready to settle down and be immersed by your music and movies, go ahead and add a subwoofer into the equation. I'm making this video because I feel it's my duty to encourage you to give them a shot. One last thing, if you're sitting there thinking, I don't know, I've heard some pretty good bass come out of some small speakers. I'm sure you have, but did they make you feel? Not so when compared to a subwoofer. Because a subwoofer is dedicated to generate the sound waves that you can actually feel. Oh, and a quick bonus tip, adding a subwoofer into your equation is going to make your speakers be a 0.1, meaning if you have 2 speakers, you now have a 2.1 setup. If you have 3 speakers, you have a 3.1 setup, and so on. Simple as that. Come and see how easy it was for me to take my sound to the next level with this next video here. I'll show you the one that I bought to make sure that it would work with my stereo. See if mine would work with yours too. If you liked this video but don't need any more content, give me a little like. If you liked this video and do want more, subscribe.